Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of fluid mechanics and machinery. The topic is viscous flow. Question number 46 from gate 115 ME02 is for a fully developed laminar flow of water, dynamic viscosity is equal to 0.001 Pascal second through a pipe of radius 5 centimeter. The axial pressure gradient is minus 10 Pascal per meter. The magnitude of axial velocity in meter per second at radial location of zero point 0.2 centimeter is okay. So this consider this pipe and the flow is taking place in the pipe in right direction. Okay. Now consider a small element of radius r. Okay. Consider a small element of radius r and the various forces acting on this element are the pressure force on the left face is P multiplied by area and the pressure force on the right face is P plus curly P by curly x into dx multiplied by this area and where curly P by curly x is pressure gradient, okay, axial pressure gradient, and shear force on the surface is tau into the that area, okay. So balancing these forces, we have P, the forces on the left direction is, sorry, forces on the right direction is P into pi r square and forces in the left direction is P plus curly P by curly x into dx into pi r square and other shear force is tau into area of surface area of the element, tau into 2 pi r into delta. So from this we have tau is equal to minus curly P by curly x into r by 2. So this is equation number 1. Okay. Now from Newtonian law we have tau is equal to mu du by dy. Okay. So here y is that distance. Okay. Y is measured from ball. Okay. So y is equal to capital R minus r. R is the outer radius of the pipe and r is that radius. So dy is equal to minus dr and as r is constant, so tau is equal to minus du by dr. Okay. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So equating these two, we'll have du by dr is equal to 1 by 2 mu curly P by curly x into r. Okay. So now we can integrate this keeping curly P by curly x as constant. Okay. So because this is your pressure gradient and this will be constant quantity. So and the limits are according to the limits are the velocity at r is your u and velocity at capital R or at this surface is 0. Okay. So velocity at capital R is 0 and velocity at small r is u, and so du integration will be u, okay, and 1 by 2 mu curly P by curly x r integration will be, this is constant quantity, so this is r square by 2. So limits are capital R to r and here the limits are 0 to u. Okay. So we have minus u is equal to 1 by 4 mu curly P by curly x r square minus r square. Okay. So curly P by curly x is your minus 10 Pascal per meter, that is given. Okay, so that is given, and mu is given as 0.001 Pascal second and outer radius is given as 0.05 meter and inner radius or the radius at which the velocity we have to find out is 0.002 meter. So putting this value we can find out velocity, so that is your 6.24 meter per second.